Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Children, today is fourth day of the week. It is Thursday and today we will study English. In today's class, children, we will learn to read and recognize capital letters A to Z. Then we will learn their phonic sounds and song also. Today I will introduce you song of letter K. And we will learn to write capital K in the notebook. Then children, we will practice our rhyme, traffic lights with action. In practice work children, you have to write O and OW in your Hindi notebook. So children, let's start our today's learning. Children, let's start our today's English class with ABC song. So you also recite it with me. Come little children, come to me, I will teach you ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Sugar on the bread, if you don't want, go to bed. Come to me on next Monday. I will teach you A, B, C. Children, now let's learn capital alphabet A to Z with pictures. Children, now let's learn and recognize capital letters A to Z with pictures. So let's start, children. You also speak with me. Now look here, children. This is capital A. A for apple. A for apple. Now comes B. B for ball. This is B. B for ball. Now comes C. C for cat. Meow. C for cat. The next letter is D. Look here children. This is capital D and D for dog. This is dog. Now comes E children, look here, this is E. E for elephant. Now the next letter is capital F. F for fish. F for fish. Children, this is G. G for goat. Now comes H. H for hen. Children, the next letter is I. I for ice cream. We all love to eat ice cream in summers. Now comes J. J for jug. Children, after J, this is K. K for kite. Next letter is L. This is L. L for lion. Now comes M. M for mango. Summer is the season of mango. M for mango. Now comes N. N for nest. The bird lives in a nest. Children, this is O. O for orange. Now comes P. P for parrot. Children, the next letter is Q. Q for queen. Now comes R. R for rabbit. This is S. S for ship. Now comes T. This is capital T. T for tiger. The tiger. This is a tiger. Children, this is capital T. T for tiger. Now comes U. U for umbrella. The next letter is V. V for van. Now comes W. W for watch. Children, this is X. X for Xmas tree. Children, this is capital Y. Y for yak. And now comes the last letter. This is Z. Z for zebra. Children, in this way, you have to learn to read and recognize capital letters A to Z with the help of picture. Children, today I will teach you to write capital K. And you know now, K for kite. But there are many other things which start with letter K. So have a look. See children, this is K. K for kite. K for kangaroo. It's an animal which is found in Australia. K for kangaroo. K for king. K for kettle and K for key. Key matlab chabi. Okay. So see children, there are so many things. Let's look at them one more time. K for kite. K for kangaroo. K for kettle. K for key and K for king. I hope now you're able to understand. Now children, let's write K. But before that children, I will teach you its song. Look here, this is a kite and kite flies in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. Kites are flying in the sky, ka-ka-ka. So children, this song is very easy and this K is kicking ka. The sound of C and sound of K is K. It is almost same, isn't it? So, but C is curling K and K is kicking K. Okay. So, kites are flying in the sky, K-K-K. Kites are flying in the sky, K-K-K. Kites are flying in the sky, kites are flying in the sky, kites are flying in the sky, K-K-K. In this way, children, you have to learn this song. I hope now it's clear. Now, let's learn to write capital K. This is today's date. Today is 20th May 2021. Now, children, look at the board carefully. How you will write? Put your pencil on the first line, which is red in color. You have to make a standing line till the second blue line, like this. Then, children, from here, leave some gap. Put your pencil here and make a slanting line till the first blue line like this, and then second slanting line like this. In one go you have to write capital K. First a standing line, then two slanting lines like this. And this way you have to write capital K. Look here, like this. Okay children, I hope you are able to understand. Now I will show you how you will write in your notebook. Children, now it's time to learn phonetic sounds and songs of the letters A to Z. Today I will teach you the song of letters A to K. Today I will introduce you the song of letter K also, and after that we will learn the sounds of the letters L to Z. So let's start children. You also now sing it with me. A, ants on my arms, ants on my arms, it's causing me alarm. A says A. B, bring your bat and bring your ball to the bar to play. B. C, we are clicking castanets, k-k-k. We are clicking castanets, k-k-k. So, C says K. And this K is curling K, children. Alright. D. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is a lots of fun with a da. D says da. E. E says eh. Eggs in the pan. Cracks the eggs like this. Now F. My friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole and air came out. F says. Now G. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. G. So G says G. Now H. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. H. It says H. Now children, I. You know, there's a mouse and her name is Inky. What she did? She spilled the ink and what happened? She got wet. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is all over the desk. Inky is wet. So I says E. Now J. J for jam and J for jelly, which you all like to eat, isn't it? Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? So, I'm confused that what shall I eat with it? Jelly or jam? Okay. Now children, K. K for kites. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Ka. So kites fly in the sky, and this is kicking ka. Now children, L. L says L as lion. M says as monkey. N says as nose. O says O as orange. P says P as parrot. Q says Q as queen. R says R as rose, rat. S says S as snake. T says T as telephone, tiger. U says as umbrella. V says W as van. W says W as watch. X says X as Xmas tree. Y says Y as yellow, yak. Z says zigzag, zebra. In this way, children, you have to learn the sounds and songs of the letters A to Z. Children, now it's time to write capital K in the notebook. Look here, children, this is K, and K for kite. See, I have made a kite, beautiful kite. Okay, so first we will write today's date. Today is 20th May 2021. You can write these numbers, children, on your own now. Okay, let's start writing K. Put your pencil on the first red line, and from here you have to make a standing line till the second blue line like this. Then remove your hand, go back again on the red line, leave some gap, and from here, children, you have to make a slanting line, then one more slanting line till the second blue line. Like this you have to write capital K. See, in this way you have to write. First a standing line, then two slanting lines. See, like this. And you have to finish the first line in the same way. Look here. Now children, we are on the second line. Again put your pencil on the red line, make a standing line like this. Then go back again on the top line, make a slanting line, and then one more slanting line like this. So in this way you have to write K. So K for kite. What are the other things which start with letter K? K for king, K for kangaroo, K for kettle, and K for key. Revise them also, and in this way you have to write capital K. Children, now look, I am on the last line. In this way you have to write capital K, standing line, and two slanting lines like this. And K for kite. The sound of K is K. It is kicking K, isn't it? So in this way you have to write capital K in your English notebook. Write one page of it, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time to do practice work. In practice work, you have to write O से ओखली, औ से औरत in your Hindi notebook. सबसे पहले आपको आज की डेट लिखनी है. Write today's date. Today is 20th May 2021 like this. Then let's start writing. In the first 2 lines, children, you have to write O. सबसे पहले अ लिखेंगे, फिर आ बनाएंगे, पीछे वाली लाइन पे हमें एक स्लांटिंग लाइन बना के उसको ऐसे अंदर की तरफ मोड़ना है, बन गया ओ। इस तरह से ओ लिखना है। और ये लाइन फिनिश करनी है। और ओ से क्या होता है? ओखली, ओ से ओढ़नी, ओ से ओस और ओ से ऊंट। ऐसे बोल बोल के लिखना है। तो बच्चों इस तरह से आपको फर्स्ट 2 लाइंस में ओ लिखना है। देखो अब आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? देखो अब मैं सेकेंड लाइन के लास्ट ब्लॉक में आ गई हूं और इस तरह से ओ लिखना है। ये देखो इसका सर्कल ठीक से नहीं बना, तो हम इसको इरेज करेंगे और ये ठीक से बनाएंगे। तो इरेजर इज अवर फ्रेंड। सो फर्स्ट 2 लाइंस में ओ लिख लिया। अब हम थर्ड लाइन में औ लिखेंगे। औ से औरत, औ से औषधि और औ से औजार। इसको ऐसे लिखना है। पहले बनाना है अ, फिर आ, फिर ओ और पीछे एक और मात्रा लगानी है और बन गया औ। ऐसे। Children, now see, I am about to finish the third line. मेरी थर्ड लाइन भी फिनिश होने वाली है। इस तरह से हमको जो ये औ लिखना है लास्ट की 3 लाइंस में लिखना है। ठीक है, 2 लाइंस ऑफ ओ और 3 लाइंस औ की। इस तरह से आपको पूरा 1 पेज लिखना है ओ और औ का। फर्स्ट 2 लाइंस ओ और नेक्स्ट 3 लाइंस औ। तो इस तरह से ये काम करेंगे और इसकी पिक्चर मुझे भेजेंगे। Children, now it's activity time. So bring your all 4 kids rhymes with worksheets book. Children, now open page number 7. It is activity time and this activity is based on the poem Traffic Lights. Okay, so you have to color this top with red, yellow and green color. And for this activity, you will need your crayons. But first we will write today's date, children. Today is 20th May 2021, like this, which you can write. Now let's take out red color, yellow color and green color. Okay children, so let's start with the yellow color first. R for red. So where R is written, you have to color that part with this red color. So let's start coloring. Slowly, slowly, evenly. So children, see, the first part is done. Now Y. Y for yellow. Take this yellow color and color in the second line. In this way. Color in one direction only, children. Okay. So children, yellow color is done. Now we need green color for the third line. So start coloring with this color. Children, as you can see, green color is done. Again, we will repeat the same sequence. We will take red color, then yellow color and then green color. Let's start with red color. Children, in this way, you have to finish page number 7, activity time, which is based on traffic lights. So children, finish this work, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now let's learn and practice the rhyme traffic lights with actions. So you also do it with me, alright? So let's start. The title of my poem is Traffic Lights. Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I mean wait, till the light goes green. green. Green light, what do you say? I say go, go, go right away. Children, in this way, you have to learn this rhyme with action. So children, learn it, make your video on it and send it to me. See you in your next class. Bye-bye.